Alright, so here is your modern day Nerf gun collection. Alright, we're going to end with that one, but there's kind of a futuristic guy, kind of an AA-12. There's another guy that's kind of sort of like an AA-12. You got your nice lever action rifle. Kind of a modern day, maybe sawed-off shotgun. Got the crazy barrel. This might be kind of a M4 carbine with a side clip. Two pistols, very accurate. One's kind of crazy. Modern day pistol, really crazy. Kind of a shorthand pistol. And that's about it. Oh, sorry. And here you go. The Barrett 50 cal. Takes a much bigger bullet, higher velocity, and that thing is crazy. Anyways, guys, this is where we came from in the 90s, and this is where we are now. Right, little boy?